So why do cloud engineers get paid so well? Now, this is one of the questions I get asked a lot. And when I say I get asked a lot, it means not once did this happen. Anyways, cloud engineers are well paid because their decisions directly affect revenue, reliability, cost, and security. In this video, I'm going to explain the reason behind the compensation and walk through what the role actually delivers day to day. Now, to tackle the business side of the question, there are three drivers that we need to talk about. First, we got leverage, which means a single change can impact every user and every request. Second, we've got reliability. So downtime is expensive. So the job is to make traffic spikes and releases uneventful. Third, we've got breadth. So the work spans application delivery, networking, security controls, cost management, and observability. So that combination is rare and highly valuable. Now, the role starts with setting boundaries. Public entry points are separated from private compute and data is isolated by default. Access between zones is intentional and minimal, and designs are captured as infrastructure as code, so environments are reviewed, reproducible, and reversible. This creates consistent baselines and eliminates configuration drift. Next is delivery. So code moves through pipelines that build, test, scan, and deploy. So higher risk changes use progressive rollouts. So we can start small, watch latency and error rates, and then expand. Now, if signals degrade, automated rollback restores the previous version, and therefore the outcome now is predictable releases on a regular cadence. Now, when behavior deviates, the response is data-driven. Dashboards indicate where the problem appears, tracing identifies the slow hop, and logs provide context. Fixes target the smallest surface area first, and results are verified against objective metrics. So lessons learned become tests, alerts, and tighter defaults. Now, security is built into the platform. Humans use MFA or multi-factor authentication and least privilege. Applications obtain short-lived credentials through roles. Permissions are scoped to specific actions and resources with conditions where appropriate. And last but not least, guardrails at the service and account level prevent common misconfigurations from ever reaching production. Now remember, cost is engineered, not guessed, so steady workloads are covered by commitments. Interruptible tasks use cheaper capacity when safe. Non-production resources follow schedules, and data uses appropriate storage classes over time. So the objective is simple: spend where users feel the benefit and trim what they will not notice. Now, what changes with the cloud engineer job levels? Well, at junior level, the focus is on safe execution, building environments, follow runbooks, and learn the platform. Now, mid-level engineers design end-to-end solutions, automates repeatedly, and handles incidents calmly. And as for senior roles, they set defaults for entire teams, they train other engineers, they choose appropriate patterns, and translate reliability and cost into plans that leadership can act on. Now, how to become credible in the role? Well, you need to build a complete slice, like a public entry point, an application tier in a private zone, and a managed data layer. And you need to define it as code and deploy it through a pipeline with progressive rollout. And you need to add dashboards tied to user experience. You could also document one cost optimization that does not affect performance. So this shows credibility and capability end to end. And this is why cloud engineers are paid well. If this video was helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. If you've got any questions, you can comment in the comment section below. And if you want to check my cloud computing courses, you can check the link in the description below. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.